In this video, I'm gonna do a quick Wi-Fi speed test on Realme GT7T. I also performed the speed test on my PC where I used the same Wi-Fi connection, so let's get right into it. And of course, for comparison purposes, I'm gonna share this information with you. So on my computer, I managed to get 926 megabits per second of download, whereas over here, as you can see, we get approximately 315 megabits per second, something like that. So definitely a lower speed compared to the PC. The upload seems to be much slower as well, as on PC I do have 86 megabits per second, whereas over here, as you can see, it actually quite catches up. So maybe it was just a fluke, unfortunately, but we managed to get 71.6 megabits per second, so still a bit lower. Definitely the biggest difference is in the download speed. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.